we can compute expressions like 10 to the power of 3 by using the power symbol. And on some calculators, you might type e to the power of 3 like this to get the result for the special exponential constant. But that isn't how you do it in MATLAB. MATLAB tells us that the variable e is not defined. We need to use the inbuilt exponential function, which is called exp. We can type exp of 3 to get the result that we want. Typing exp of 1 gets us the value of the constant e. So you could make the definition e equals exp of 1 if you want to, and then you could type e to the power of 3 like this to get the result. But most of the time it's preferable just to use the inbuilt function to avoid introducing unnecessary definitions. Also, it's worth noting that e is used in engineering notation to represent a power of 10. So, for example, 1.5 e minus 3, written like this, means 1.5 times 10 to the power of minus 3. In scientific subjects, it's also very common to want the logarithm of a value. Let's try log 10. That doesn't work because I used an uppercase letter. Remember that MATLAB only uses lowercase in function names. However, the program has helpfully suggested to use the name of the function that we might be after. Let's try it. You might be surprised at this result because most scientific calculators use log to denote the logarithm in base 10, so log 10 should be equal to 1. But in MATLAB, the log function gives the natural logarithm, which is the logarithm in base e. You might find this unusual, but it's common to most programming languages. If you want the logarithm in base 10, you can use the log 10 function.